It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So the way I usually do my low ponytail is I would part my hair in small sections and add the gel. But what I realize is that when I do my hair that way, even 3-4 days later, in the middle of my hair is still wet, and I don't like that feeling because of the gel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unravel each plaits one by one, and then just start my ponytail from there with the stretch. I plait my hair to get stretch just so I could do this ponytail, and I'm just gonna add moisturizer. That's it. So each plait I'm gonna put in a ponytail before the shrinkage starts. This is what happens when you have low porosity hair. The products just sit on top of your hair. It doesn't soak in and dry fast. So that's what happens to me, and 3-4 days later my hair is still wet after styling my hair. Well, in the middle of my hair. So to moisturize my hair, I'm gonna be using the ORS Olive Oil Moisturizing Hair Lotion. This is my favorite moisturizer. It works really well for my hair. I've been using this product for years, for a very long time. As you can see, I have really thick hair, so this method is easier for me to do my hair in sections. So in the front, I'm gonna be using the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. I can use the gel at the front because it dries easier in the front. You know, it's not gonna be as bad where in the middle it's still wet. For this hairstyle, I'm gonna be doing a middle part. If you know me well, you know I love my side parts, but for a couple months now I've been feeling this middle part, so that's what I'm gonna work with. This middle part has been doing something for me. I don't know what it is, but I love it. So for my ends, I'm just gonna make a small bun. I guess my buns are not so small anymore. I tried to make it really small, but it wasn't that small. You know, your girl hair is growing and glowing. So now I'm just gonna be adding a little more of the gel on the top of my hair just to get that extra laid and slayed look right before I add my scarf. So now I'm gonna be tying my hair with a scarf. Actually, I'm gonna be using 2 scarves just to make sure everything is laid and slayed like I said. Okay, so this company on Amazon by the name of Anrosa sent me this 18 inches Afro curly ponytail, color 1B. I've worked with this company before. I'll leave the video up here in the card that I've worked with them before. So they sent me this ponytail to try out. Let me show you the name. Alright, so in the box it came with black and blue eyelashes. I won't be wearing this. And a thank you card just saying thank you for shopping, blah blah blah, Aussie and cow fat. Let's get to the best part. I've been wanting a ponytail, like a drawstring ponytail. That's my hair color. Because in the beginning of doing my YouTube channel, these companies were trying me, sending me colored ponytails. Red, blonde. I know, I'm not gonna looking like a clown out here. So finally this company sent me a color that is my color, because after being natural for 1 year and 6 months, I told myself, is it 1 year and 6 months? No, 1 year and 4 months. I told myself, I'm not gonna spend any money on any ponytails. Somebody better send me some. So I finally got one. Kinky. And I think I'm gonna spray this with water to make it look, should I leave it like this or just a little bit of water just to give it a little moisture, just a little bit. I want it to be big, but also I'm gonna spray a little water. After I sprayed a little water, I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of oil just to give it alright, you know, just make it, I want it to stay natural like this, but then I want it to not look dry, you know, but I like it. A little bit of the Aussie, just a tad bit on the ends, and then work my way up. Yeah. And then as you can see, it has the drawstring here, and it comes with 2 combs inside See, 1, 2. Can't wait to put it on. Your girl gonna be serving looks. I'm gonna give this some more time to dry, like probably, gosh, I'm gonna give this some more time to dry, like 20 more minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes later, all I did was took a shower and add some lashes. And let's see. Ooh, your girl hair is laid. So now we're gonna add the ponytail. As you can see, I'm gonna stick the comb at the top of my bun, and then the other comb, I'm gonna stick it under my bun. Then I'm gonna pull that string, pull it, and then wrap it around the ponytail. And that little ball that you pull with the string, you're just gonna add the string to that ball so it's secure. I didn't use any pin or anything. That's it. So this is the final look. So KK Squad, please comment down below. Let me know how well I did with this hairstyle. Let me know what you think. Also, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, make that thumbs up below, that like button, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.